Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohammad. From this video, I would like to start a new tutorial regarding human physiology, and the subject will be the nervous system. Not only the nervous system, after this, I will also update all the systems and all the subjects, all the topics related to physiology. So, if you are my subscriber, you will be able to gain some knowledge from me, and all this knowledge that I will be presented in this channel was gained by me from South Kazakhstan Medical Academy. I am a student of general medicine Mbbs in this university. So in order to make you easy, I had wrote all the information and all the knowledge that I had gained in a format of a book. I will also share the PDF of this material that I am using in this video. If you are interested, you can download it and study more. This book is named as Human Physiology, and this is the front page, cover page of my book. Over here, there is a note which I would like to ask as a question for the viewers of my YouTube channel. The question is nothing but dash is theater of a film named as Physiology. So over this, Physiology is considered to be as the name of a film, and it is played or telecasted in a theater named as what? The answer I would like to receive in the comment section. Let's see who will answer my question correctly. So let's start with the topic. First of all, nervous system. In this paper, I would like to discuss what is meant by nervous system and classification of nervous system, so that you will be clear cut and have no more doubts and queries. Even though after watching this, if you have any queries and questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I would be able to clarify them so that it will be helpful for you. Nervous system is nothing but highly complex part of an animal that coordinates its actions and sensory information by transmitting signals to and from different parts of the body. Nervous system, simply telling in simple words, nothing but a coordinating system that like brings connections in between all the systems present in the human body, such as digestive system, excretory system, endocrine system, immune system. All the systems which we know till date are connected as a network in between each other by a system called as nervous system. Nervous system also has the ability to respond to stimuli, like if it receives any responses, if it receives any stimuluses from external or internal bodies, it will be able to react, recognize and respond to that. More detail I will be able to explain you in next coming videos. So that is what the nervous system. So let us classify the nervous system. Nervous system is particularly classified into two parts. Those are nothing but the CNS and PNS. CNS is nothing but the full form of CNS is central nervous system. Full form of peripheral nervous system is PNS is peripheral nervous system. So what comes under CNS? CNS consists of brain and spinal cord. These are the two main organs of nervous system. I think everyone knows about these two organs and where are they located in the human body. So later on, PNS, peripheral nervous system, is nothing but the nerves which arise from the central nervous system are to be placed under peripheral nervous system. So later on, the peripheral nervous system is also divided into three types in order to make us easy to study and understand. Those are nothing but somatic, uh, autonomic and enteric. Somatic, autonomic and enteric. More clear discussion about this subdivision will be done by me in my later videos. Autonomic nervous system. Autonomic peripheral nervous system is also divided into two different subtypes. That's nothing but sympathetic and parasympathetic. The interesting fact over here is the both autonomic and enteric peripheral nervous systems are considered to be as involuntary in action. Like involuntary is nothing but which is not under the power or willpower of us. It's like we cannot control these two. They are automatically performing inside our body without our intention.
But the somatic peripheral nervous system is apart from these two. It's like we can control and modify them if we. It will be under the willpower of humans simply. The classification that I had told you till now is only seen in vertebrates. Vertebrates are nothing but the living organisms which consists of vertebral column. Simply, in simple terminology, the nervous system in vertebrates is of two types: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Now, as everyone knows that most of the names and terminologies related to biology are translated from Latin and Greek language. Simply, nervous system is also derived from the Latin language from the word called as systema nervosum. Systema nervosum is nothing but the nervous system in English. So, nervous system. What does nervous system consist of? Nervous system consists of neurons and neuroglia or glial cells. Before starting the neuron, let us discuss about this scientist. Santiago Romanoi Casal. Santiago Romanoi Casal is a scientist who suggested that the neurons are the structural and functional units of the nervous system. He is the person who firstly predicted and suggested that neurons, which is nothing but this cell which I drawn here. These neurons are the functional and structural unit of the nervous system. It's like if there is no neuron, no nervous system. These are the minor parts of the nervous system. So, to get a complete grip on nervous system, firstly we should understand what is present in this neuron. Neuron is nothing but simply consists of three parts: dendrites, axons, soma, which is also called a cyton. So, let me show them over the diagram that I had drawn. These hair-like substances are nothing but the dendrites, and this round, flat substance filled with cytoplasma is nothing but the soma or cell body or cyton. Later part that is extending from soma is nothing but the axon. Axon later on ends with the nerve terminals and nerve fibers. Axon is of two types: myelinated and unmyelinated. Myelinated is nothing but which consists of myelin sheath secreted by squamous cells. Unmyelinated neuron is nothing but a neuron in which axon does not consist of any myelin sheath. Now, in this you can observe the gaps in between the myelin sheaths on axon. These gaps are nothing but to be called as node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier is a part discovered by a scientist Ranvier, hence it is named after him and is called to be as node of Ranvier. So these are the parts which you can go through. And apart from neuron, there are also another types of cells in nervous system that are neuroglia or glial cells. Neuroglia or glial cells are the supportive cells of the neurons. It means that these cells will support neurons functions, and they mainly protect and mainly involved in providing nutrients, support, maintenance of homeostasis, and in the production of a myelin sheath. So by seeing this, we can also say this squamous cell will come under the neuroglial cells. Neurons and neuroglia are the two nervous tissues present inside our nervous system. Here is a fact: human brain on an average consists of 86 billion neurons in it. 86 billion neurons on an average can be found inside the human brain itself. There is also another fact: the longest cell in the human body are neurons. Neurons are the longest cells in the human body. No other cell can dominate its length. Like some of them are nearly 3 feet long. 3 feet long neurons can also be found inside the human body. So no other longest cell than this, hence it is called to be as the longest cell in the human body. Now, nervous tissues. Nervous tissues cells will combine to form a tissue, as you know. So neurons are the cells here, and the tissues that neurons form togetherly are brain, spinal cord, and nerves. So nothing to explain regarding brain. Everyone knows what is brain and where is it located, and spinal cord even. And nerves are the wire-like substances which comes from these two electric devices like organs in our human body. All these three are formed by the combination of a group of neurons, and brain, spinal cord, and nerves comes under the nervous tissue. So primary function of the nervous tissue. The primary function of the nervous tissue is to receive stimuli and to send the impulses to the spinal cord and brain. Later, the brain sends back a response to the muscles or glands via the nerves after processing and analyzing the impulse received. Simply saying, the primary function of nervous system is nothing but to receive the impulses and stimuli that it receives from its external environment, and to analyze it and to send a particular and exact accurate response to that stimuli, and that is showed by using muscles or glands. So guys, I would like to stop at this in this video, and later on in my coming videos I will be able to explaining you regarding irritability, excitability, nerve fibers, receptors, synapses, and types of synapses, etc, etc, etc. So that's it for now. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Keep tuned to my channel so that you will be able to get some more